Guys.
I love you, Hummuh!
That kind of like legitimately scared me. So about a week ago, the Burlacher posted that video. And I live, I don't know, a couple hours away from him. And so I messaged him about the limo, not thinking it was as much as it was. So I messaged him about it. Turns out he actually wants like 16 to 18 for it. And so I can't do that. But today he posted this. That's a Hummer and listed for $6,500, which is in my price range. And I've actually been looking for a Hummer. I mean, guys, I'm Hummuh, like Hummuh's Hummer. It has to happen. It has to happen. But as soon as I saw this a couple hours ago, I emailed him and I got a verbal agreement. He said he'd sell it to me for $6,500. He said that he's already gotten a bunch of offers on it, and it sounds like he's just being a total bro and selling it for what he got it from Hoovie. So a quick search on Auto Trader showcases this one, the engine was bad. This one was in a flood, and this is the cheapest one I could find at $799. This is the only clean title one that doesn't need work. So it is officially the cheapest Hummer H2 in the nation. Alright guys, we're on our way. We're getting close-ish. Rattlesnake's almost falling asleep. Claire's looking like a snack. I'm excited. Look at this rig. That's so sick. It's like Gravedigger on the back. Freaking sweet. This is wild. It's right there. It's right out front.
What?
Got the GT, the Hummer.
Pretty sure he couldn't sleep last night because
I 100%
he was so excited to get this Hummer.
It's a fun car to drive, I'll be honest. I'm excited to see you guys take it into the dunes.
Oh yeah.
Do some off-roading, really kind of test the limits. If you get stuck, let me know. I'll drive down there in the Raptor and see if I can.
I know all the jumping spots, so.
Okay. I'll come down and jump, yeah. I'll jump that.
Are you sad to see it go?
Yeah, honestly I am. I had bigger plans for this, and then I just ran out of capacity to do stuff I wanted to do to it, and decided I needed to let it go. But I do hope to have a H2 back someday.
Well, shoot, man, maybe I'll just sell it back to you.
Yeah. When you have 1 million subs, I'll come by.
Yeah, come snag it.
Yes. Yes. So no, genuinely, it's awesome. I really like this for sure.
Heck yeah.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
So.
Cool. Okay, so I'll take this. And I gotta get this giant wallet. Oh, jeez.
Okay.
Like I can't even fold my dang
just
wallet.
Give me the wallet. I'll just keep the wallet.
Straight up. Yeah, 6,500 big ones.
Okay. All right. Should we count it all on camera?
Oh yeah.
I'm an accountant, so there we go. Yep, that sounds about right. I'm gonna make.
Aren't you gonna check it in the light?
Yeah. Well,
Amateur, come
yeah,
on.
I'm gonna make it. I did not get it detailed because I did not expect to
sell it so fast.
I posted the video Friday.
I know, the moment.
It's Sunday. I didn't get it detailed, and it's dirty. So I'm gonna give you guys $100 back to get it detailed or whatever.
Well,
thanks.
$6,400 sales price.
This is gonna pay for half the trip home. So.
Yeah. Well. Yeah. Your gas budget. We're not gonna go there. Yeah.
That was essentially what like basically killed the Hummer.
Yep.
Was everybody was just like, oh, gas guzzling, Yep. And now we've got Dodge Demons that are getting 6.
Well, I get 12 in that.
Yeah. And also, before we're gone, I gotta hear this. This is like the best sounding like Mustang.
Oh, you want to hear it in person?
So.
Yeah.
I gotta hear it. Yeah, I don't know if the first video with the Hummer is gonna be off-roading it and jumping it at the dunes or straight piping it.
Oh.
Because
straight pipe it, please.
Yeah, I was gonna say
start with that.
It's definitely begging for a straight pipe.
Can you straight pipe it without cutting it? Can you just unscrew this one?
Yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Unbolt it?
I see. It seems like you have ability and talent, so you could probably figure it out.
No, I'm definitely gonna figure it out.
I have no idea, how to do anything, but I think you can figure something out.
Yeah, I know. Straight piping that's like what I was doing in high school. Like the first thing.
I'll weld it back on if we have to cut it.
Yeah.
Dibs.
I mean, that's what I did on the X5. I just cut it,
Yeah.
welded it back on. So
That works.
yeah, I first thing you need to do
Straight
is get
pipe.
this sounding better.
Yeah.
It doesn't sound bad.
No, but it definitely is like. It definitely doesn't.
Yeah. What else are you gonna do though?
So, I mean, if depending on budget and stuff, like wheels and tires, I would like to lift it. I'm thinking, well, because like they're Hummers, you need the giant, massive bar grill thing on the front and the giant thing up top, and put a spare wheel on the back and all that stuff. So.
100%. That was all stuff I wanted to do and failed. So here we go.
I'd keep the Raptor too. I don't blame you.
Yeah.
It's nicer.
Yeah, if I had to choose, I definitely would choose
I would choose the Raptor.
Yeah.
I'd keep them both if I could.
If I could. Okay, I gotta hear this GT350. I just gotta.
All right.
Oh, that is so good. Holy crap.
Oh, my.
Scared my baby, but like worth it.
Look at
Yeah, oh, yes, please. I'm totally fine.
He's got a death grip on me right now. You okay? Oh, honey. Oh.
So sick.
Babe.
I never get to hear
okay.
it. So.
It's so sick. It is so aggressive.
Do you guys want to experience the limo?
Yes, I do want to experience the limo.
I don't know, do I?
So it's not registered. It's not legal. It's legal, but it's not legal. So if you get arrested, impounded, whatever, just keep filming.
Love it.
I'll be honest, I do like driving it.
It like, okay, but this is like a boat. Like 100% this feels like a boat.
I just, you just kick back.
I don't know where the key goes.
Yep, exactly. It's over here.
Oh, wild. Exotic. Oh, sorry. What is that? It still sounds, I think this sounds burlier than the Hummer.
It's not bad. I mean, it's a big engine. It's nice. I took this golfing one day, and I pulled up to the course. There were two guys in the parking lot, just kind of like,
Who's this guy? Who's this guy?
I got my clubs out of the back seat. They were just like, who's that guy? So yeah, take it for a spin. It's gonna squeal if you turn the wheel hard. Don't worry about it. All right, I'll just. Are you good?
How much guts does this have, babe? Yeah.
That's floored.
How fast were you going?
We got the 30.
What do you think? Do you want to buy that instead of the? When you get home with that, and you're like, you should have bought it. Just come back and get this as well.
Straight up. Straight up. I love this though. I feel like
Yes.
I mean I'm seeing different things when I look at that. Like I feel like the wings should be a little bit pointier, not like.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want a Hummer. Let's go.
Sticking
I'm
with
sorry.
the Hummer?
I want the Hummer.
Perfect.
Oh, that's nice.
He made it look better than I did.
Yeah. I wasn't complaining.
Yeah. This thing is so sick. Okay, straight up. I'm so happy. Like, this is the first time I'm driving this thing. And it is so big. Oh my gosh. Like, it is so freaking big compared to the Corvette and the V. Wife's back there in the V. But it drives pretty smooth. I mean, I'm going 70, only 2,000 RPM. Like, it's pretty sweet. But like, the yellow, dude, oh my gosh. It's so rad. Okay, the other thing that I found out is this stereo freaking bumps. It's like, I don't know, 14-year-old Bose. But dude, it bumps. It like, the whole freaking cabin feels like awesome. I'm so hyped. I'd show you, but I don't want to get copyrighted, so. Here comes, I think it's a 458. Cool. A Lamborghini Urus. I don't see those very often. Race me, bro. It's from Nevada. What's he doing here? Whoa, look at the wheels. Look at the wheels. One day, babe, I'm gonna get you a Urus. All right, guys, we are home. Oh yeah, fixed the V, by the way. Don't mind the mess. But the Hummer did freaking great. Made it here safe and sound, no issues at all whatsoever. And holy frick, I am absolutely in love with this thing. Now, check out this difference. Like, look at the size difference of these two vehicles. Oh my gosh. It is so very big. The Hummer H2 is massive. It's not as big as the H1, but man, it is still so freaking big. And oh my gosh, I'm hyped. Okay, I'm just itching. I am itching to go off-roading with it. And so I'm gonna do a little flex off right here. Okay, so it's a little bit, it's pretty tucked. Yeah, it's pretty tucked back here. He's like almost on the ground. Did a little burnout, but okay. That's a good little run for the Blazer. Man, that's a decent amount of tuck. I don't know if we could get that any farther in there. Oh, that's hysterical. Sweet. All right, Hummer's turn. All right, guys, I think this is max. I'm hitting the bumper on the rocks up there. So yeah, we definitely need to lift this Hummer. At first, I didn't really like H2s. Thought they were kind of like embarrassing to drive, big and flashy and kind of obnoxious. But I'm really digging on it. Like, I'm starting to freaking fall in love with the H2. I think it's freaking sweet looking. And you don't see, oh my gosh, you do not see SUVs like this anymore. They just don't make them like it. Everybody's streamlined, obnoxious Blazers. Look at that droop. That's hysterical. Oh yeah, sweet. I'm freaking happy. Who's excited for Hummer freaking content? I'm super hyped. The H2 is honestly so much cooler than I thought it was gonna be. I'm like getting way more excited. In comparison to this thing feels way nimble. Like, I mean, it just snuck right up this driveway super easy. And this one, putting this big freaking behemoth in place was a little bit more difficult. But holy crap, I'm excited to push this thing's limits as far as off-road goes. So Oh, and there's one more thing. I totally forgot about this. So for the Blazer, I have this key tag. And I bought this from a Street Speed 717's merch store at In Chains. But the question is, about 2 weeks ago, I purchased this one. It's a little Hoovies Garage one, which is so applicable for the H2 because Hoovie actually used to own this H2, which is super awesome. But the question is, do I do the hoopty one because Tyler used to own this one, or do I do the student driver one because it's yellow and it matches, and that is definitely a hoopty. I don't know. But thank you guys so much for tuning in. Be sure to go follow the Burlacher. He posts some high quality automotive content. I'm super excited for the future of the channel with all 5 of these vehicles. Don't forget, give a like, subscribe, and check out how still filthy nasty my truck bed is. So it'll be good as new.